Welcome to Eurospring, where excellence in every detail is our priority. Let us guide you through our U-bolt manufacturing processes. We begin with the precise cutting of our raw material, using state-of-the-art technology to ensure exact dimensions. In our threading section, we perform chamfer and counterbore operations on the same CNC machine, offering versatility and efficiency at every step. Our cold or hot forming process ensures the strength and durability of each U-bolt, adapting to the specific needs of each application. Next, we apply high-quality shot blasting to prepare the surfaces, followed by specialized surface treatments. Our water-based painting is not only environmentally friendly, but also provides a durable protective layer. For additional protection, we offer KTL or geomet coatings on the external surface. We use a variety of high-quality steels, with or without heat treatment, to be more versatile and meet diverse needs. Our U-bolts adapt to a wide range of applications. From diameters of 12 to 30 mm, with threads ranging from M12 to M30 and a screw steel grade from 8.8 to 10.9. In our factory, we merge traditional craftsmanship with the most advanced technology to deliver high-quality products. Trust us for your U-bolt needs. Contact us today.